What is up? Thank you for tuning into this unboxing and first look video at this EDC pen. It's a multi-tool pen. I've been on the search for EDC pen and saw this, thought it might be an option to consider, so I got it. It is from ATECH Innovations. This, can't remember how I found this. I think it was through like a Kickstarter or GoFundMe or something. But super cool, super excited to get this open. And if anybody feels like sending me any mail, I'll open it on here. There is my P.O. box. I'll put it in the description also. So let's open it up. I guess it would have been cooler if I would have whipped out my knife and sliced it open. Alright. The ATECH 9-in-1 multi-function tool pen. Daily travel essentials. 0.7mm ballpoint pen. It has a stylus. It has a bottle opener, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, ruler, level, file tool, and box cutter. 9-in-1. I forget what this was. Maybe 25 bucks, I think it was. So let's get in here and check it out. Alright, here's a register your product for a 2-year extended warranty and 15% off coupon. Happy, go to Amazon.com, sign into your account, click orders, find your ATECH product, click write a review. Unhappy, we would love to help. And there's their support email. I didn't know it was available on Amazon, but evidently it is. So I will link that in the description below if you are interested. 9-in-1 multi-tool, and this just goes over how to use it and where all the tools are. So now that we have all the packaging out of the way, alright, it's not too overly heavy. It's fatter than most normal pens. Let's see, to access the pen, you just screw it just like that. Writes pretty phenomenally. And, alright, so here's the little file. Actually, let me bring the camera closer to give you a better look. Alright, so here we have the ATECH pen. And let's just go over some of the features. So there is the box cutter. That looks like it might work. I don't really have anything to test it on, but it's not too crazy sharp, but I think it'll do just fine on tape and whatever you need. Retention clip seems like it might be a little flimsy, but we'll see. Here's the file, so little file for maybe like a little metal spur, bottle opener right there. Most of it feels pretty hollow and light. Here's the level right there, so let's see. My table's not totally level. That might come in useful. Ability to measure 4 inches or 10 centimeters right there. Let's see, moving down to the pen. There's the pen. Let's see if we can write on something. Send help. I like the pen. The pen writes really well. All right, let's get to some of the other functions. So the tip unscrews and you have your stylus there. And then, let's see, okay, that's how you access and switch out the ink. That just pulls off. And unscrewing the stylus exposes the Phillips screwdriver that you pull out. Just turn it around and it's got a small flathead. Be good for like tightening glasses or other little things. And that is it. I don't like the fact that you have to unscrew the stylus and you have to like take this thing all apart to get to the screwdrivers, but then again, honestly, I don't see how they do it otherwise. So that screws back in and you're back to a pen. So it does feel a little unbalanced. The box cutter is heavier than this tip. You can really tell that there's like nothing in the middle because it feels weighted at both ends. Whoops. All right, passes the drop test. Feels weighted at both ends, if that makes any sense. It's a little fatter than I would want for like a pen I would write with every single day. And also it's a little heavy and bulky for something that I'd want to carry on myself all day. I kind of wish the box cutter, I feel like there's room in this to like condense everything down to make maybe the total length come to there, and also maybe make this retractable in some kind of way. I don't know if that would be possible or not. Kind of getting into running out of space to make that happen. The level, I would probably consider sacrificing the level in order to condense this and make it retractable on the box opener, and maybe even consider like a utility blade instead of this hook. So as far as like a pen, like I'm gonna stick it in my pen holder on my desk and just know it's there in case something comes up and I need probably the screwdriver function more than anything. Box, or you could open letters with this too, I'm sure. I wish I had something better to test it out on, but yeah, it's not, yeah, it doesn't really cut it more tears, so I'm thinking tape. It would probably cut tape just fine in a thin envelope. That's about it. All right, that is the ATECH multi-tool, let me get the name right, 9-in-1 multi-function tool pen from ATECH. So I'll link it, like I said, something neat just to stick in your pen holder and know that you have the ability to do a few things with it if you need, but not something I think I'm going to carry all the time. I am going to carry it a couple of days just to see if it's overly annoying, which I already think it will be. The way this kind of sticks out and like hooks on everything, you can feel it like definitely hooks on everything. So not something I am going to use, I think, on a daily basis as a carry pen, but yeah, still neat. I'll keep it. I'll throw it in the pen holder and just know it's there. All right, thanks again for watching this video. I hope that you found it somewhat informational and entertaining. Not really entertaining, just informational. My name is Alex. This is Redbeard Adventure. I do gear reviews and random whatever is trending in my brain type videos. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and I look forward to reading and answering all of your comments. Thank you very much.